Hi, I'm Steve Palmer from JPS Electrical Services, and I just wanted to do a very short video to just go over a couple of details as to why it's worth your while using a registered electrician. So I've just been doing a cooker circuit in this property, and I've done all the inspection and testing, and at the end I've just had a look at this gas bonding clamp to verify the connection, and I just want to show you something that may have got overlooked if you'd have used somebody that wasn't really up together with what needs to be done. So I was just checking the tightness of the clamp. When give it a wiggle, look, it moves. You might be able to see, there we go, look. So it's moving there. So check the tightness on it, and you can see, let me pop the camera around. There we go, you can see more clearly. The clamp has actually split. There we go, I've just given it a little bit of persuasion and the clamp has split. What that means is this earth connection, this is a safety electrical connection, it's not doing its job properly. So I'm going to put a lug on this cable here and replace the clamp, and I'll show you in a moment. There we go, you can see that I've cleaned up the copper pipe work where I'm going to fasten the clamp, and I've also put a lug onto the cable now so that we're going to get a nice sound connection. There we go, new clamp is fastened. There's the lug underneath, nice and secure, and the warning label on there as well. Safety electrical connection, do not remove. Now ordinarily I wouldn't look to install this clamp here, but it has to be within 600mm of the meter, or where it pops its head up into the property, and it has to be before any branch pipe work as well. So you can see that this branch is off in this direction and this direction, and that there is pretty much the only place that you can secure the clamp, and that part there looks like the strongest. So you can see it's nicely cleaned up, brand new clamp, new lug and warning label. And that is one reason why you should use a registered electrician. They will use their knowledge and their experience to find little faults like this to make sure that you stay safe in your home. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Please remember, like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye bye.